In this how-to video, I will demonstrate how to do bulk credit card processing. We will begin by going into the customer account detail screen. We will go across to the credit card tab and we will enter into find mode. We will then select authorized for continual use, which is all your customer accounts that are authorized for automatic monthly debit. And we'll press the enter or return key on the keyboard. We have now found 17 customers. The next step is to bookmark. We'll then go up to records, replace field contents, and we want to replace the contents of the field bookmark in 17 records with the value of 1. Next step is to go to bulk credit cards using the button below the payment details. Now we will receive a list of the 17 customers that we have selected for automatic credit card deduction. The next step is to set the amount based on the customer's invoice that has been generated earlier. We'll go to select and select bulk CC set amount. Once we confirm the dialog, the system will set the account balance amount plus the applicable processing fee in the withdraw amount column as seen in this example. Once we have done this, you want to check the withdrawal amount for any customers that have a 0 amount or a credit. If you have any such amount, you simply need to remove the tick box next to those accounts. If you had to deselect any customers, you can go to select find marked to remove the accounts that you have unmarked. Once you have your remaining set of accounts that need to actually be deducted from the bank accounts, we will simply go to select, and you can select whether you want to export for CardLink, Evolve, or do a manual printout. I will demonstrate CardLink as this is the most popular system. A dialog box will confirm that I want to export the records. And once it is exported, you'll get a confirmation that tells you the resulting field is on your desktop. Looking at the computer's desktop, you will find the file on your desktop. With CardLink, you require an applicable compression utility to compress the file into a zip format before submitting to the online bank. Once you receive the results file from the bank, it is important to open this up and analyze the result. You will want to come back to your list and you will want to untick any customer that has been declined. Once you have unticked the customers that have had their transactions declined, you can go to find marked to reduce your list to include only the customer accounts that have approved results from the bank. Once you have your final list, you can go to select bulk CC approved. And what the confirmation tells you is that all the rest of the records will be labeled as approved and processed to customer accounts. Once you select yes, all the withdrawal amounts will be turned to 0, which will indicate that the transaction has been successfully approved and processed into the customer's invoice as a payment. Once you've done this process, you can go to the select menu and back to return to the residential main menu to then continue the rest of your billing run. That concludes this how-to.